INTRO. Everybody talks about success, but nobody talks about the financial requirement of your destiny. Today, I introduce a powerful, original principle I call the destiny financing principle. Listen carefully. Your destiny cannot function on insufficient funds. Segment 1. What is destiny financing? Destiny financing is the level of resources required for you to become the person you were designed to be. Every destiny has a cost. Some dreams are cheap, some assignments are expensive. And the reason many people feel stuck is simple. They are trying to live a high-calling destiny with low-calling finances. Right-pointing magnifying glass segment 2. The 3 destiny financing levels. Your destiny falls into one of these financial categories. Diamond shape with a dot inside 1. The survival destiny. Low financing required. These are people whose purpose is to sustain themselves and contribute quietly. They don't need massive wealth because their assignment is small scale. Diamond shape with a dot inside 2. The influence destiny. Moderate financing required. These are teachers, creators, guides, builders. They need enough money to stay visible and impactful. Diamond shape with a dot inside 3. The global destiny. High financing required. These are leaders, innovators, kingdom builders. Their destiny requires systems, structures, and high-level resources. They cannot fulfill their calling with average income. Their destiny demands wealth. Chart with upward trend segment 3. How to meet the financial demand of your destiny. Here's how to reach the money level your destiny requires. Step 1. Identify your destiny category. Know whether your purpose demands small, moderate, or massive resources. Step 2. Increase your wealth capacity. You cannot enter global calling with a local money capacity. Expand mentally, strategically, and spiritually. Step 3. Monetize your assignment. Your destiny is not meant to be a burden. It is meant to produce. Package your purpose into value. Step 4. Build destiny-aligned networks. People of high calling attract high-finance ecosystems. Step 5. Create multiple resource channels. Destiny needs durability. One source of income is too fragile for a great calling.